What is Gay-Lussac'S law? Its explanation, applications, and limitations. Gay-Lussac'S law or Montan's law states that the absolute temperature and pressure of an ideal gas are directly proportional, under conditions of constant mass and volume. In other words, heating a gas in a sealed container causes its pressure to increase, while cooling a gas lowers its pressure. The reason this happens is that increasing temperature imparts thermokinetic energy to gas molecules. As the temperature increases, molecules collide more often with the container walls. The increased collisions are seen as increased pressure. The law is named for French chemist and physicist Joseph Gay-Lussac. Gay-Lussac formulated the law in 1802, but it was a formal statement of the relationship between temperature and pressure described by French physicist Guillaume Montan in the late 1600s. Gay-Lussac'S law states the temperature and pressure of an ideal gas are directly proportional, assuming constant mass and volume. Gay-Lussac'S law formula. Here are the three common formulas for Gay-Lussac'S law. P is proportional to T. P1/T1 equals P2/T2. P1T2 equals P2T1. P stands for pressure, while T is absolute temperature. Be sure to convert Fahrenheit and Celsius temperature to Kelvin when solving Gay-Lussac'S law problems. A graph of either pressure versus temperature is a straight line, extending up and away from the origin. The straight line indicates a directly proportional relationship. Examples of Gay-Lussac'S law in everyday life. Here are examples of Gay-Lussac'S law in everyday life. Tire pressure. Automobile tire pressure drops on a cold day and soars on a hot day. If you put too much air in your tires when they are cold, they could overpressurize when they heat up. Similarly, if your tires read the proper pressure when they are hot, they will be underinflated when it's cold. Pressure cooker. Applying heat to a pressure cooker increases the pressure inside the device. Increasing pressure raises the boiling point of water, shortening cooking times. Because the container is sealed, flavors aren't lost to the air with steam. Aerosol can. The reason you shouldn't store aerosol cans under hot conditions or dispose of them by burning is because heating the can increases the pressure of its contents, potentially causing the can to burst. Water heater. An electric water heater is a lot like a pressure cooker. A pressure relief valve prevents steam from accumulating. If the valve malfunctions, heat drives up the steam pressure inside the heater, eventually bursting it. Limitations of Gay-Lussac law. The limitations of Gay-Lussac law are as follows. Gay-Lussac law is only applicable to ideal gases. Gay-Lussac'S law applies to real gases at high temperatures and or low pressure. At high pressures, the relationship between pressure and temperature is off. As the pressure increases, the ratio decreases. This decrease is due to the increase in volume at high pressure and is explained by the increase in repulsive forces between molecules at high pressure. Thanks for watching.